Hi, hello, welcome to a new studio vlog. It's Monday today, so happy Monday. So I have 2 orders to ship, so I just need to first go and get some supplies. So I need to ship out 1 mug and 1 ring dish. This will be the first time that I will be shipping ceramics. I hope it will arrive safely, so I will try to package it as best as I can. I will need to get some supplies. I don't have tape or maybe bubble wrap, or I don't know what I will use. I will see what they have here, but I'm planning to order probably from Amazon some compostable peanuts for shipping my ceramics, because I want to make more ceramic pieces, and now I just made a few to see if people like them. So yeah, I'll first do that. So I will get the supplies and then I will package it, and then I need to go to the post office, and I also need to continue working on the commission pieces that I have. And also 1 order is a gift, so I will not include my usual thank you card, and I don't know if I will put a business card, but I will include a happy birthday card instead. So this trinket dish sold out, and also this mug. So I'm back, and I didn't find any places that sell boxes. I don't know where I should look for them anymore, so I think that I will just pack up the ring dish and get 1 box from the post office. So I just got this tape and this for sending the ring dish, so I will pack up 1 order, and then I will maybe go again a second time to the post office, or I will send the mug tomorrow. I will see if they have boxes. I hope so. If they have only big boxes, I don't know what I'm gonna do. So yeah, since I was shopping anywhere, so I got this oat milk, and I never tried this one before. The ones I usually buy is sold out. And I got coconut milk for cooking, some noodles, salami, some coffee, and this sesame oil. So I'm gonna reuse this bubble wrap for this packaging.
I got my head out the sunroof, I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. You got those pretty eyes in your head, you know it. You got me dancing in my bed, so let me show it. You are exactly what I want, kinda cool and kinda not. Wanna give myself to you. Yeah, we're driving down the freeway at night. I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head out the sunroof, I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. I got my head out the sunroof. You got me stuck on the thought of you.
J'aime sentir la musique. Je peux sentir le jazz, ça me fait quelque chose.
Et la musique classique, ça vous fait quelque chose?
Enfin, tellement, la musique classique c'est pour la tête un peu. Et le jazz c'est pour le corps.
So I finished cleaning the apartment. Now I'm gonna go for a walk and then back home. So let me show you just my outfit. It's really casual today.
Je peux sentir le jazz, ça me fait quelque chose. Et le jazz c'est pour le corps.
Et pourquoi aimez-vous le jazz?
Le jazz, je crois que c'est le rythme que j'aime beaucoup. Ça vous excite. Il y a un rythme.
soleil, pas de soleil.